Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Go ahead, I'll give you a few minutes to go ahead and hit that button. So today it's going to be a little bit different but still budgety because I bought this Emeet Smartcam C950 a while ago, like Amazon Prime Day while ago, June, July vibes ago, and I have yet to open it. And so we're going to open it up together and we're going to do a quick quality test. I'm not like, I love technology, of course, but I'm not like an official person. I can tell you that it does have fixed focus and it's a full HD 1080p USB webcam. So it's very much plug and play. You take it out the box, you plug it into your laptop or your docking station, and that's it. Like, it'll work. There's no extra connectors or anything like that. So let's go ahead and unbox it, plug it up, and then do a test where we see what my webcam looks like versus what my webcam that came with my laptop versus the camera. This was a budget find because I paid $15, $14 some change, $15 on Amazon Prime. And with Black Friday coming around, in case any of you are looking for something to upgrade your Zoom calls or upgrade just your YouTube videos, if you do a screen share type vibe and you need something better than your webcam, let's see if this could be it for you. Either way, for me, I only spent $15. I'm assuming it's going to be even a smidgen better than the laptop at this point. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so here's our Emeet camera. It's supposed to be HD 1080p from Emeet Inc. webcams. It has fixed focus, so it's not going to have dynamic refocus and unfocus. Sometimes fixed focus is okay if you're not moving about too much. It's got full HD 1080 and it's the Emeet Smartcam C950. It's the Emeet Smartcam C950. Let's get into her. Very simple packaging. It does come with, it looks like a webcam cover that sticks on, it looks like, in order to have some privacy. And then that's all that's in the box. Very simple. There wasn't even any tape on this box, you guys. And then we have a USB plug-in, which I assume can just be plugged directly into your laptop, which is awesome because you don't have to worry about any other external ports. The length on this cord is pretty long, nothing too crazy. Why do I have the camera up on his face like that? But you've got a good amount of cord space. And this is basically what it looks like. Very small, very small. It does have the clamp that clamps onto your monitors, so you can use that, and then it adjusts this way. So it folds out like this and you can clamp it on and move it around. Okay, so let's go into setting it up. I do have a docking station, so I'll probably plug it into the docking station first and then plug my laptop into that. The setup seems fairly easy. My concern is that doesn't seem very sturdy up there. Okay, everybody. So now I'm in the camera app where this is just the one that came on my HP camera. I believe it's a 720p camera. It works okay. Now I'm going to lift up my laptop so we have more of a fair assessment. There's a light over here and it's dark right now, so we don't have any sunlight to help balance. But this is about where the camera is on the monitor, the other webcam. So this is what this kind of looks like. So just remember this. This is kind of what I'm looking like right here. This is exactly like where the webcam is. So this is what I'm looking like. And now I'm going to switch over to the Emeet camera and see if we have much of a difference. So this is what the Emeet camera looks like. As you can see, the Emeet definitely lets more light. Like you can see that I have a light on. It's definitely brighter. Y'all tell me, I would have to watch it back. I feel like it's a little crisper. For $15, I feel like this is, look, of course, it's way up here. So I'm getting a better angle, a top-down angle. I feel like I'm super bright. I think if I had balanced light, it would look even better. And this is just the basic settings. This is the setting that it comes with. So if there is an Emeet Link app that usually has a lot of firmware updates, and they have it for Mac and Mac and PC. And you can download that and you can adjust like filters and lighting and all that. I haven't done that yet. I just wanted to give us the raw, straight out the box, plug and play video. I'm not a IT type person. So if you're not an IT type person, I just wanted to see what let you see what you're going to get. And I believe even if you play in the app that comes with the Emeet, you still will be able to reset to default, like if you feel like you're totally messing it up. But that is it, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed seeing the before and the after. And I think it was worth the little $15, okay? I'm excited to try it on like a sunny day, like on a weekend when the sun is out, see if the quality is even better. I liked both my original and this one, but for $15, I think it definitely does give a little bit more, it accepts a little more light. And it is a wide frame. The frame looks wider and the pictures behind me look crisper, in my opinion. But all right, guys, as you can see, that was well worth the $15 to me. Like, of course, there are things that come with autofocus, can record in 4HD, all the things, right? Is it 4K? 4K, and all the things, and they're going to be a little bit more money, but they're well worth it, you know, for Zoom calls and things like that. But for something on a budget, for what I use this for, just to record like my Google Sheets budgeting videos, hello. I'm impressed. I'm happy. If you're looking for a new webcam, the link will be down in my description bar. Let me know down in the comments. Do you think it did well for $15? What are your thoughts? Would you pick this up for $15 if you were looking to upgrade your system just a little bit? Definitely let me know down in the comments. If you made it this far in the video, please go ahead and like the video. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, 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 Bye. Jazz hands. Love you. Mean it. Bye.